Hello everyone and welcome back again. Today we have an interesting task for ourselves and that is to check our own mental health. Yes, you heard that right. Okay, but before we deep dive into it, let's learn what's mental health. So people sort of assume that mental health is regarding mental illness, someone who is not well, someone who might be getting admitted themselves into mental hospital. Something like that goes around while we talk about mental health, right? But ideally, mental health is regarding your own thoughts, is regarding your feelings and your behavior, right? And these three things impact how you think, how you act, and how you take a decision in your own life. So now let's get into how's your mental health right now. Okay, so WHO, that is World Health Organization, has brought up four factors from which we can understand how is our mental health, how we are doing in our own mental health terminology. So the first point is abilities. Yes, you should be believing in yourself that you have certain abilities, you have certain capacity to do certain work. Ideally, maybe you are good at something, maybe you are not good at it. So you should know what sort of abilities you have in yourself and having a little confidence about the same task. Second point is very much common, which is stress management. Now, even me as a psychologist have certain stressors in my own life, and even you might have your own hustle and bustle, and that's completely fine. But the point here is that we should know how we are going to manage that stressor. Maybe we should go and find out someone who is also our safe person. We should know that who can be my safe person, where I can seek help, who I can share my stuff, where I can go for guidance, or even how I can myself also manage that certain situation that gives you stress, right? So that was the second point, that is stress management. Alright, now talking about the third point, that is productivity. Here we are not going to give ourselves unrealistic goals, like unrealistic to do this, that I will wake up in the morning and I'll complete this much and that much, but ideally focusing on certain factors that impacts your mental health and physical health, and that is first is your sleep cycle. How well do you sleep and how sleep and sound are you sleeping? Second is your food habits and your hydration. Third is your daily routine, like is it intact, not intact, is it productive? That if you have thought of some task to do in the morning, it is achievable, but still you could not achieve it, maybe because of procrastination, maybe because you are lazy, something like that is going on, then that would impact your productivity. And the fourth point that we are going to talk about is contribution. We all definitely give a lot of contribution in a lot of people's life. Suppose our parents give contribution in our life for our upbringing, our teachers add values, not just lessons, and we as a humans also help here and there to our friends, to our loved ones. Yes, so these were the four factors that you are going to talk when you are checking your own mental health. The first one is abilities, the second is stress management, the third is productivity, and the fourth is contribution. Let me know in the comment section below that if you find any difficulties with any points, if you have any doubt what points mean what, then I'll explain you over there as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.